Alright, we got a rummage field score. Got a garden tractor, like a Sears Craftsman, equipped with a 18 horsepower opposed twin kohler engine, vertical shaft. It does have a oil pressure system on it. It's got the filter on the side. 6-speed, high speed, low range, 44-inch. Runs great. It's got the electric clutch and the hydraulic lift on the switch. I bought one too. See, it's a garden tractor, 6,000. I also bought another one just like it. The one over there maybe a 92. We'll have to show that. Right there, that's a 93 model. Let me show you that one tractor I got. And that's right there. All same everything except this one here is a horizontal shaft. Yes, it doesn't have a kohler engine in it. 44-inch garden tractor 6,000. I'll get separate videos made for that. Alright. Out here, and we'll start her up. Not actually cold start, because I just mowed with it and just brought it over here and cleaned the deck off. So